Hello gamers, Scorpio here. Let's add another platinum to your collection. This is your complete walkthrough, trophy guide and achievement guide for Reflex Drop Time Race. It's an arcade game developed and published by Zakim. Trophy-wise, you are looking at an easy completion. The estimated time to platinum is around 1 minute. The game costs $2 for a single platform. Before we look at the roadmap, if this guide helps you out, please hit the like and subscribe. Or consider becoming a member for as low as $1. To my current members, a huge thank you, your support is essential. Now here is the plan. Use the square button to move to the left and the circle button to move to the right. Score 180 points in a single session and all the trophies will unlock naturally. I hope you enjoy the game and the guide. Let's get started and elevate your game.